Today we're going to work on the sweep command. So let's go over here. Let's go to create, new document. Okay. We want to use the top view as our starting view. So we're going to hide the front and the right. So we can either click on the eyeball or we can left click, right click, hide this right plane. Okay. So we're going to create a circle on this top plane right here. So let's go normalize that view. Okay, and now we would just want to create a circle on here. So let's go to sketch. We're going to sketch using the top view right here. So let's click on that circle right there, that origin point, and let's create a circle. Okay, and this is, it's showing you it's blue. That means it's not fully constrained. So that means that if you zoom in here, it is not actually connected to that. So if we want to connect that, we would click on this coincident right here, click on this and then this, and they will lock to each other. Okay. Now we need one more constraint to show the size of that. It's fully constrained now, so to turn black. Let's get out of this, say okay. Now that we have our sketch 1 done, now we will go and create a sketch path. We have to rotate this, hold down your right mouse button to rotate that, and let's click on our front view. We want our front view. We want to create a path of which this sweep will happen. All right, so let's click on sketch on the front plane. Now we will normalize this. Let's click on front. So we want to have it come up and over, and we're going to use a curve, a spline to do that. So we're going to click here, and we're just going to take this and kind of make it however we want to. Okay, right click when you're finished, confirm that spline. All right, and then if you really wanted to, you could dimension this and fully constrain this spline. So you can click on that and you can add your dimensions here like this. I don't like the diagonal dimensions. Let's get rid of that. Control Z to undo that. We're going to click on the dimension, click there, pull it off to the right. Okay. And this is how you can fully constrain this line and stuff. So let's say that is good and we're happy. Let's click OK. Let's do a right mouse button, hold that down to kind of see these two items. And let's try our sweep command. So now we're going to click on our faces and sketches and regions to sweep. We need a solid and it's brand new. Okay, so this is what we want to sketch. We want the path to be here. And we can see it's making that path right now. It doesn't like it so well because it is a little bit too tight. So this circle here is a little bit too tight for these to actually fully develop. Click on that and hit delete. And then I can get rid of a couple of those holes. And I can make that much smoother if I want to. Okay. When I make it smoother, it probably will be able to produce it. So click OK, and there's our new shape. Yeah, so that is the sweep command. Thanks for watching.